Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a blurred love effect as transitions to your video on Capcut. So here I've already added 3 videos, and as transitions I'm going to add the new effect on Capcut, the blurred love. So here's what you need to do. You need to go in between the clips like this, and then just go to effect, video effects, opening and closing, and now you'll find the blurred love effect. Just click on that effect. If you want, you can also adjust it. You can adjust the size, intensity, speed, horizontal, and also the atmosphere. And after that, just click on a check icon. Now put the effect in between the clips like this. You can adjust on the length by your liking, and just copy the effect and put it on the next clip like this. And let's see the result. So that's how the blurred love effect will look like as transitions. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is good, don't forget to like, click thanks, and subscribe. Bye.